Today we are going to complete exercises of chapter number 1, Kali and the Rat Snake, and this chapter is from your LR book. Comprehension A. Complete each sentence appropriately. First, Kali was walking very slowly because he did not have any friends at school. Second, Kali was not proud of being an Irula because the children at school giggled and made fun of him. Third, failing at school was not easy for Kali because he could not perform badly in his lessons. Fourth, Kali thought that children who were beaten were lucky because they could make the teacher angry. Fifth, the children clapped and chanted Kali's name because he caught the rat snake. B. Answer these questions briefly. First question, who was Kali? Answer, Kali was the son of a snake catcher from the Irula tribe. Second, what did the people of the Irula tribe do for a living? Answer, the people of the Irula tribe were snake catchers who caught snakes and took out the poison to make antivenom serum. The snake cooperative would pay them for their work. Third, what three things were the students supposed to tell the rest of the class on the first day of school? Answer, on the first day of the school, the students were to tell the class their names, the names of their villages and their father's occupation. Fourth, why did Kali feel like a balloon at first? Why did he wish that he was like the others afterwards? Answer, at first Kali felt like a balloon because his father was the most famous snake catcher in their tribe and he thought his classmates would appreciate his father's work. When his classmates giggled on hearing his father's occupation, he no longer felt proud of being an Irula and wished he was like the others. Question number 5. What two things did Kali wish for as he sat at the back of the class? As Kali sat at the back of the class, he wished that he fail and be thrown out of school. He also wished that the teacher would hit him with the stick on his back. So he tried to make a maze of his slate. 6. Kali had mixed feelings when he opened his tiffin and found termites. What were his feelings and why? Kali had mixed feelings when he opened his tiffin and found termites because it was his favorite food. But he did not want anyone to see it. He thought anyone saw him eating termites, they would make fun of him, and so he felt that termites tasted better at home. Question number 7. How did Kali become the class hero? Answer, a rat snake entered Kali's class and everyone including the teacher was afraid. However, Kali, being the son of snake catcher, caught the snake without fear. Soon his classmates clapped for him and chanted his name and he became the class hero. C. Think and answer the questions. First, I hate school and school hates me. Why did Kali think that his school hated him? Answer, Kali thought that his school hated him because he felt he had no friends in class. On his first day at school, his classmates had giggled and made fun of him on learning of his father's occupation as a snake catcher. He would sit at the back of the class wishing that he failed or be punished by the teacher. But he did not succeed. He also ate his tiffin alone as he feared his classmates would make fun of his tiffin of fried termites. Second, what does the humorous episode tell us about Kali's teacher? Answer, the humorous episode where Kali's teacher gets on the table and yells to save him tells us that he was not a very brave man. Instead of being strong support to the frightened students, he himself started crying out for help. Last question. How would you treat a classmate who comes from a different background and has ways quite different from yours? Answer. It is important that we always treat our classmates as our equals. Even if anyone comes from a different background and his or her ways are different from ours, we should try to know more about the classmates' background and culture and try to respect that so that we can learn valuable lessons that the culture has to offer.